This is Raji with the Senior Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fabric flower. The materials that you would need include a 22 gauge wire, tacky glue, scissors, and fabric. What I like about this project is that you can use fabric scraps that are left over from previous projects that you may have attempted. So this is the fabric scrap that I have chosen to make a flower. So let's begin. To make a petal, you would take a length of wire and wrap it around something cylindrical. The diameter of the cylinder would determine the size of the petal, so you can choose any object that will provide you the diameter that you desire. I also find that taking a long length of wire serves well in working with it. So now I have what will be the petal for the flower and a long stalk. I make the stalk perpendicular to the petal itself. I'm now going to apply tacky glue to the circumference of this. I then place it on the piece of fabric. Then set it aside to dry. I will now make 5 more of these for the 5 petals of the flower. I'm now going to cut this petal. I now assemble the 5 petals together with their stalks. I take one string of one of the stalks and wrap it around all the others to hold the stalks together. Once I have done this, you could use floral tape to wrap it around the stalk to make it look nice. I have just cut a length of the same fabric to wrap it around the stalk. This is how the completed flower looks. I have added some tacky glue to the center and added some beads there. This is how the stalk looks. Many of these could be made to fill a flower vase. A smaller one could be used to adorn a hair clip, or it could be converted into this wreath to usher in the spring. I hope you will try this craft at home and that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.